Hello, this is a short video on the Stanley Fatmax crimping tool. You can use it for crimping, wire cutting and stripping. I bought it mainly for stripping, so that is this piece of the cutter here. You can adjust the length of the piece you want to cut if you want to strip at this side. So let's get a piece of wire here so we can try. Maybe I'll first cut a piece off of this. Here we go. Then you put this part in the wire, and it's stripped to the other side. Maybe I can show it like this. Put it on the other hand. It cuts in the middle. Perfect cut, easy to use. Perfect.